Now in this video we are going to look at quick home remedy. It means if you have a sure win, this you take it before she enters or before you go to the bedroom. It means this works immediately, and it means this you take it before you go to your bedroom. Trust me, you won't make the same, because in this video you're going to learn a home remedy which will increase blood flow, which will increase stamina, which will give you endurance during bedtime. So you take this home remedy before you go for bed competition. But before we go to our preparation, my dear, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Easy Tips 256. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. So let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you more about this home recipe. First of all, we need garlic. We need only 3 pieces of garlic. Okay, this is 1, these are 2, and 3. We need only 3 pieces of garlic. Make sure that you clean your garlic very well. Remove the outer parts of your garlic. Okay. This is an amazing recipe which will shock you. You take it before someone comes to your house. Expect maximum results. Now this is our garlic after cleaning. So right now I am going to grate these 3 pieces of garlic. But please leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and of course subscribe if you have never subscribed. Remember, this amazing recipe will increase blood saturation, will boost stamina, endurance. So expect maximum results during the performance time. Now get for me 1 empty bottle, but don't forget that it has to be with a cover. Okay, it has to be with a cover. Bring your garlic into your favorable bottle which you have got. From there get for me hot boiled water. Bring it here. Okay, I want you to cover this home remedy very well and keep this home remedy for 5 minutes. But trust me, this home remedy is very powerful and you like it during bedtime, because it will give you strength, energy, stamina for you to be happy during bedtime. Our 5 minutes are done. Now get a glass. As you see, we are going to filter this home recipe. Filter very well. From there, get for me Nescafe. We need just a small spoon of Nescafe. This is enough. And then we need cloves. We need clove powder. Okay, clove powder. This is enough. Clove powder. Bring it here. And then mix very well. Mix very well. Lastly, get for me natural honey. Okay, get for me natural honey. You're going to add only 1 spoon. This is enough. Mix very well. So this is our home remedy, as you see, guys. Very interesting. After knowing the preparation, what is next? What are you supposed to do to get maximum performance in the bedroom? Remember, this home recipe doesn't have overdose, doesn't have side effects. If you take it, be sure that you'll be having maximum change during bedtime. But before I tell you when you're supposed to take it, please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And as usual, my name is Coach Uganda. What about you? So, take this home remedy 30 minutes before competition. Trust me, expect to have maximum stamina, good performance, endurance, and expect to be energetic during bedtime. This will impress you. Take it 30 minutes before competition. Bye-bye.